Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, and in case you didn't know, I love AI. I'm an educator, and what I do most of the time is try out different tools and share them with educators around the globe. I'm really excited about Filmora and its AI. Have you ever wondered how people make videos without filming, editing, or complicated software? Well, the secret, as we all know today, is AI and the tool Wondershare Filmora. Because with Filmora, you can turn a simple text or idea into a complete polished video in just minutes. You don't need any prior experience. No expensive gear is required. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how that is done. I'm going to show you how you can go from an idea using Filmora's AI text to video tools. So let's start with why this matters. Well, AI text to video technology is huge these days, and it opens the door. And anyone who's interested, whether you're creating YouTube videos, TikToks, product promos, or educational content, with Filmora, you can generate content faster and easier than ever before. So here are the 4 steps AI workflow works. The first thing you need to do is to get an idea, and you need to think of something that you'd like to do. If you're not sure and you'd like to communicate with an AI, you can use any of the many free AI tools to get your idea up and going. Once you have it, you're ready to get started with Wondershare Filmora. And I'm going to show you how I did it. So let's get started with Step 1 is to go into filmora.wondershare.com, get an account, and download the application. You can do this on a Windows or on a Mac. I'm using a Mac, so if things look slightly different, it's because I'm on a Mac. What I'm currently teaching educators around the globe is how to use smartphones in their classes, specifically English language teachers. So my topic is smartphone magic, transforming learning. Now, the magic came from the AI tool, of course, but my idea was just to transform learning with smartphones. And notice the scenes here. It came up with 4 scenes and images that I added. But you don't have to import image. Let me show you. You can also have the AI generate one for you. So this is mine, but you have a choice, and that's wonderful because we all need choices. So notice the first one. This is the first scene. It created 4, as I said. And you can see the 4 scenes and the images. And this is all the AI's work, not mine. I had nothing to do with any of this. The only thing I did do is I added the images, as I said, and I came up with the idea. So the next step is, of course, to generate the video. So let's click on it, and here it comes. The video is being generated, and it's progressing. It may take a little bit, so be patient because the result is going to be amazing. Here goes my description, and then notice here all credits, and here generate. Okay, so let's click on that. In case you're wondering what's happening, notice here it is generating the content. It is 48-50%. So don't feel that you're out and you don't know what's happening, because notice it is happening. And now let's take a look at it. It's completed. What's amazing is that the image is now a video. So that was just the beginning. Take a look at the project, right? So this is so exciting. So now we've got our 4 scenes that were created with the AI tool. Next, we're going to play it. So here goes.
Emily kicks off the lesson, showing how smartphones can be great learning tools. The students dive into a new app, buzzing with excitement as they learn. Emily connects students with peers abroad, practicing language in real time. Wrapping up, Emily highlights how smartphones can boost learning when used wisely.
Right, so now our next step is to export. And notice what you get here. You can export it to your device or social media or DVD, and you get all the information. You can also back up to the cloud. You can add a thumbnail to the beginning if you wish. As I said, you can edit and add various elements. Let's go into social media. Notice my choice, of course, is YouTube, but you can also have TikTok or Vimeo. All you need to do, of course, is log in, and the rest is easy. So let's do that now. Next, I'm going to add my video. I'll add a title, and in this case, it's Smartphones for Learning. This is so easy and absolutely wonderful. I love working with AI tools, so this is perfect for me. Category, and notice you've got various category. Mine is always education. You can make it public, unlisted, or private if you want to add some things to it. You can add a thumbnail. So let me do that now. Now notice you don't have to go into your computer because it's AI based. So you get these images. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, Joyce, the big interview if you like, or you can choose this one if you like that one. However, if you want to use yours, you can use yours, mine, or you can upload. Notice there are templates here as well. We're going to go into education. Maybe I'll find something that I like. Okay, so lots to choose from. Maybe I'll take this one. It's kind of nice. Just to show you, and then you save it. You can add the thumbnail at the beginning, whatever you wish. Okay, so you play around with it, and then we're going to export. And here, once again, we're going to choose. Notice you also have Facebook, of course, and Twitter. We're going to choose YouTube. We've already signed in. And here's the video. It went straight into YouTube. And that's it. So let's play it.
Emily kicks off the lesson, showing how smartphones can be great learning tools. The students dive into a new app, buzzing with excitement as they learn. Emily connects students with peers abroad, practicing language in real time. Wrapping up, Emily highlights how smartphones can boost learning when used wisely.
Absolutely amazing. And that's it. I just want to show you. This is the front page of Filmora, Wondershare. I'm going to show you the AI and all the things that you can do with their built-in AI. Notice you can create smart short clips. You can have social content planner, AI portrait cut out, a video object remover, all these things, audio enhancer. In fact, you don't have to use your voice. You can use an AI voice. Notice here, AI speech to text, a vocal remover, all these amazing features with Wondershare Filmora. So what are you waiting for? Get started, share, and let me know what you think in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and make videos.